Coach, not exactly the debut that you imagined.
Well, yeah, we have to remember, just put it in context, medyo champion team. I think, how many conference ago? 3 conference ago, champion tong team na to. So that's the level of competition na meron dito sa PBA. And after that blazing start nung first, yun yung testament. You need to start strong, finish stronger, and you have to sustain. Yung kabila kasi nag-a-adjust din. So, in a way, hindi kami naka-adjust. We lost by 1 possession. Yung 1 possession na yun, pwede sa dulo, pwede sa gitna. We don't know, pwedeng early on. So, we acknowledge that we are one of the tallest, biggest teams dito. And for sure, magkakaroon ng malaking target sa mga likod namin. And we have to find a way on how to kasi magiging tong game na to, magiging precedent. What they did to us, for sure, papanoorin ng mga future na mga kalaban namin. And maganda naman yun kasi na-challenge kami. Ibig sabihin, we will find a way on how to counter and how to adjust. That's the beauty of the competition. You have to force yourself to get better. And ito naman, even if it's a loss for us, I think for a young team as we are, this is good. As long as nangyari kasi nung umpisa ng maaga we have a lot more games to play. But to put it in context also, medyo sunod-sunod. So itong 6 days na to, we're playing 3 games, and I think after the Holy Week, 5 games na may kalahati na yun. So hopefully, the plan is to bounce back on Sunday and to get our bearings. I-sustain namin yung first quarter start. Yung second quarter naging question Actually, we were decent in the second half. We were excellent in the first quarter. But the second, we are flat. So yun, find a way on how to put an antidote in that. And of course, kumbaga, 4 yata o 5 yung, not an excuse, 4 o 5 yung, 4 I think, yung mga bago dito sa amin. So that's a factor also. And we lost one of our gunners. Hopefully yung timeline niya medyo umiksi. Talking about Jordan. Hopefully umiksi yung timeline niya. And yung walang isang tao na makakapalit dun It's a team effort para ma-feel yung shoes na na-vacate ni Jordan. Hopefully lang umiksi yung timeline niya, maging soon yung balik. But all in all, it's quite a good start for us. Hindi lang namin nakuha yung game, but we see how great we can be, how good we can be, and we choose to dwell on that, yung strong start namin. We will choose to dwell on that, learn from the mistakes, especially in the second quarter, and then carry it over against Phoenix on Sunday, and then the games after that.
Coach, yung kay Jordan, yung playoffs yun,
Oo, yung sa Rain or Shine. Diba, parang nag-hobble na siya nung game 3 Nagpapalabas na siya nun. So, it's a bad case of spasm na on and off. He's doing something for it. Yung timeline lang pwedeng medyo day to day. So, ayaw namin na baka mabigla or whatever, baka lumala. So, we were on the safe side. Kasi at the end of the day, we want him healthy, especially dun sa mga late in the season. If we do make the playoffs, gusto namin na andun siya fresh. He had a couple of practices, pero as of now, lately wala. But nandun siya nasa practice facility. He's doing his rehab, he's doing his exercises. Exercises niya for his
first round, will you be able to
we'll see, maybe second half of the eliminations, kasi yung first half na kagad yun parang by Holy Week half na kagad sunod-sunod yung laro namin. So yeah, hopefully he'll make it on the second half of the eliminations.
Coach, thank you.
Okay, thank you.